If you own a modern Polaris, you know how much of a headache wiring can be. This tiny plug claims to solve all your security worries instantly, and honestly, it might be the easiest anti-theft solution I've ever seen for a UTV. We're looking at the OzUSA Plug and Play alarm system, designed specifically for the Polaris Pulse Power Bus Bar. The genius here is the installation. Forget splicing wires or hunting for ignition sources. You literally plug this unit directly into the Pulse Power bus, and that's it. Done! For anyone who dreads electrical work on their RZR, Ranger, or General, this seamless integration is a massive, massive win. The system itself is surprisingly robust for a plug-and-play unit. Security starts with convenience, and having two wireless remote controls means you can arm and disarm the system from a distance, which is perfect if your UTV is parked in a large garage or on a trailer. The core detection mechanism relies on a vibration motion sensor. This is essential for off-road vehicles that might be jostled or tampered with. But what really impressed me was the adjustable sensitivity level. You can fine-tune it to detect unauthorized access attempts without triggering a false alarm every time a strong breeze hits your canopy. That level of control is crucial for real-world use. When the alarm does trigger, it doesn't just rely on sound. It includes two red LED bolt beams. These 5/8-inch lights flash powerfully, creating a visual deterrent that screams stop. It's a smart combination of noise, light, and motion detection, all powered seamlessly through the factory bus bar. If you have a compatible 2018 to 2023 Polaris RZR, Ranger, or General, and you need quick, effective security without the wiring nightmare, this system is a serious contender. It delivers on its promise of simplicity and provides a necessary layer of protection for your expensive machine. This is truly the ultimate plug-and-play security upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.